Irregular verbs. Base form. Past form. Past participle. Go. I go to school every day. Went. He went to the store yesterday. Gone. She has gone to the park. Eat. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Ate. They ate pizza last night. Eaten. She has already eaten dinner. Have. I have a car. Had. He had a meeting yesterday. Had. They have had a lot of work to do. Come. I come home at 6 p.m. Came. She came to the party late. Come. He has come to visit us. See. I see you every day. Saw. We saw a movie yesterday. Seen. I have seen that movie before. Take. I take a book. Took. She took the book yesterday. Taken. He has taken his medicine. Begin. I begin work at 9 a.m. Began. She began her studies last year. Begun. We have begun the project. Give. I give him a gift every year. Gave. She gave me a present yesterday. Given. They have given their support. Run. I run every morning. Ran. She ran 5 kilometers yesterday. Run. They have run a marathon. Find. I find this book interesting. Found. He found his keys on the table. Found. They have found the solution. No. I know the answer. Knew. She knew the secret. Known. They have known each other for years. Speak. I speak English every day. Spoke. She spoke to the manager yesterday. Spoken. They have spoken about the issue. Write. I write emails every day. Wrote. He wrote a letter yesterday. Written. She has written a book. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Flew. I flew to Paris last summer. Flown. They have flown over many countries. Thanks for watching.